Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel MBD Notes. In the previous video, we learned that how to install WordPress on local server. But in this video, we will see that how to install WordPress on live server like Hostinger, GoDaddy, Bluehost, HostGator, etc. So there are two basic ways to install WordPress on hosting server. The first one is auto installer and the second one is manual installation of WordPress. In this video, we will see that how to install WordPress by using Auto WordPress installer. In the next video, we will see that how to install WordPress manually in your hosting account. So let's learn it by doing it. Step number 1 is to log into your hosting account. So as you can see here that I have successfully logged into my Hostinger account. So you will see a list of menu items over here. So I will click on hosting. Here you will see a list of websites which are hosted on your hosting account. If you do not have hosted any website currently, you will see only one which was registered while purchasing this hosting. Step number 2 is to open your hosting of your website for which you want to install WordPress. For this tutorial, I will install WordPress on this domain, galaxyrecruitments.co.uk. When I clicked on Manage, it redirected me to this hPanel page. In this tutorial, I am demonstrating it on Hostinger, but when you are logged into your cPanel, all the other steps will be same. Type WordPress in this search box in your cPanel. You can see over here that it is showing us this WordPress. Over here we can see two options. The first one is to detect WordPress. This is to check if WordPress is already installed or not. But as we know that WordPress is not already installed, if we search galaxyrecruitments.co.uk, it will display us this page, which means that there is no response to this request. Now we need to click on this install button. Over here you need to give some parameters. So I have filled this form completely. Let's click on next. In this page you can change your WordPress version. So this is 6.0.1, which is the latest version. You can also select any older version. In the second box you need to select the language. In these three options you need to select if you want to install the updates of WordPress automatically or not. So I will turn off the automatic updates. Now click on install. It might take some time. It has redirected us to this page. So let's go to our domain and check if WordPress is available or not. As you can see over here that our WordPress default page is available over here, which means WordPress is successfully installed. We can log into our WordPress dashboard by adding /wp admin with our domain. It will ask you to log in here. We have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard. So this is how you can install WordPress by using auto installer of Hostinger or any other hosting providers.